Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Big thumbs up if you enjoy this video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next. Now today, we're opening the Porsche 911 GT3 RS from the 2019 Hot Wheels Q case, featured in the Factory Fresh series, and it's car 10 of 10. Get it straight off the card and check it out. It's in that really nice metal flake purple. It's really cool looking. It's got nice tinted windows. It's wearing those trap wheels. It's got a black interior. You can see the headlights are the same plastic as the windows, which makes it really cool. It's got that really huge spoiler. Not a big fan, but it is part of the casting and not a plastic add-on, which is perfect. I'm really overall happy with this car, and you can see it's got that nice Porsche symbol on the hood. Okay, so time to get that Porsche on the track and see how it goes. It does have a long scoop at the front there, so I'm not sure it will work that well on the track. Give it a push anyway, and you can see it went around once, not too bad at all. Give it another little push, but it wasn't really going to perform that well. That scoop was slowing it down a lot on the track. Anyway, it's a really nice example of this casting. I've also got it in the Super Treasure Hunt. Cannot wait to open it up to show you guys. Alright, let me know in the comments below, do you have this Porsche 911 GT3 RS in this purple color? Or maybe you've already got the Super Treasure Hunt as well. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks everyone.